naniniwala ka pa rin ba sa red string?
Yung theory? Oo naman. Feeling ko nga ito yung reason kung bakit tayo nag-meet eh. Ikaw ba?
Seeing you light up over the simplest things is something na hindi ko malilimutan.
Parang natutuwa ka na masyado dyan ah.
Ano naman?
Lalo na yung ngiti mo. Alam mo, you showed me how life is so easy to enjoy.
Try ka naman dyan sa flavor na kinusama ko.
Green.
Bakit? Dahan-dahan lang kasi ang bilis mo kumain, no? Oh, kita mo, may dumi ka pa sa labi.
Uy!
Bakit? Ano kinuha ko?
Lamay kami ng kamay mo eh.
Uy, grabe ka. Nag-alcohol naman ako. Masyado.
I still remember the first time we met. Kala mo pelikula eh.
Miss, Sumi, hi.
Ay nako, wag na yun.
Ay, hindi naman sa ganun. Gusto mo ba ng tulong? Kasi parang tutumba ka na sa bigat ng dala ko eh.
Kaya ko na to.
Hindi, sige, tulungan na kita.
Uy, akin na
Hindi,
yan.
sige na. Saan ba table mo? Galing. Kukuha ka ng maraming libro, wala ka pa palang pwesto.
Shut up na lang, pwede.
I really enjoyed our time together. I wish time could have stood still a little longer during the times na kasama kita. I wish I could have held on to that feeling, to those moments, to you.
Hana,
Ikaw.
hi.
Hi.
Dinala ka rin ba ng red string dito?
Yup. Nagulat na lang rin ako, bigla siyang gumano mag-isip.
Pwede ba kitang tabihan?
Bawal.
Ah,
Ito naman, ikaw mabiro. Ito ka.
sige. Thank you. Alam mo, hindi mo ako sinagot nun. Kung naniniwala ka pa sa theory.
Hindi na eh.
Bakit? Bakit parang biglaan naman?
Hindi ko pa sigurado eh. Sa ang alam ko, ayoko na. Ayoko rin mang piliting sarili ko na mahalin ka kahit alam ko hindi na. You deserve better.
I deserve you, Hana.
No. You deserve to be happy. And you know you weren't. Hey, I think nasa nating pagkikita to. Maybe, just maybe, the red string tried to rekindle what's lost. Pero for me, wala na eh. Wala na talaga. I'm sorry. And, Gab, don't let some theory decide what your fate is. You'll always have love around you. Bye, Gab.
They're just remnants now. Pieces that won't really go away. And maybe, just maybe, it's not about forgetting them anymore. Maybe it's just a matter of learning to live with them.
So I apologize for coming into your life just to break your heart to pieces and to leave you in the night. And I tried my best to stay by your side, but who knew the rolling seasons would reveal that sometimes we aren't meant to be the one. So goodbye to the ones we once loved.